Welcome to Emax India. Today, we will talk about how you can maintain the student fees record on your admin panel. As you are currently charging fees from your student and registering them, you also have to maintain and provide a separate receipt for the children's with the institute details print on it. But for this, there is an option through which you can keep your fees record and also give it to the student. There is no need to make a separate receipt for the student. We are currently talking about this. So for this, firstly, you have to open Emax website and go on center login option. When you click on center login option, you will receive a page of dashboard. You have to click on fees management option here. When you click on fees management option, you will receive complete list of student here. That fees you want to maintain, you have to select that student here. This you can search by their roll number also. When you mention their details, if you want to set their fees, you have to click on set fees option here. You will receive as you receive this server issue, you have to just click on refresh option. You will receive current page. You will receive complete details of student here. Here you can maintain student fee record. Just like for admission, you are charging from your student 100 rupees. For exam fees, you are charging 200. For monthly fees, if you suppose you are charging 500 for 6-month courses, it's 3000. And discount you provided to your students of 100 rupees now. And next due date, it means now you receive student a short amount and rest of amount he will pay in the next time. When he will pay you, you can select that date here. And extra fees what you are charging from your student for prospectus or ID card, for that you can charge. Suppose you are charging 300 rupees for this. Then maintain this complete record. As you can see here, the complete fees you charging from your student, this detail you will receive in pending fees now. Then click on submit button and then save. The fees will be saved here. Then now students paying to you in today, enter amount, what the amount he is paying to you right now. Suppose he is paying now 1000 rupees, mention 1000, then select mode. From which mode he is paying to you, UPI, bank transfer, check or via cash. You can select your option. Then mention here next due date when he submit the next amount to you. You can select this one here. Then click on deposit fees. The fee will be deducted. Click on OK. And as you can see, the fee details received here. Same, just like if the next due date, they will pay the rest of amount. Just like on 8th, he informed you, he paid on 8th of August, again 1000 rupees to you via cash. Then the next due date, after 10 days or after 15 days, he will submit the rest amount. You can select the next date here. Then click on deposit button. The page is deposited here. Also, if you want to see complete view fees of student, you can click on view fees and then open it. You will receive the details of fees, the amount what he paid and on what time he paid. Then if you want to, if you receive the next fees again, you have to click on deposit fees and mention the complete details here and click on deposit fee. The fee will be received here. And same as this, if you want to provide student invoice receipt for this, you have to click on download invoice. Here, student complete details will be shown with fees as you are charging for student. For admission fees, 100 rupees. For exam fees, monthly fees you are charging, extra fees, discount you provided to the student, next due date of payment, and pending fees. And the total fees you decided in the first time. As you can see here, The first fee he submitted 1,000 rupees. The second fee he submitted 1,000 rupees. Discount is 100 rupees. Total sub here you receive the rest of fees is pending. The fees he submitted and gross total you will receive the rest of fees is pending. And as you can see there is option of scan code. Through this also student can verify their fee details. So today we learned how you can maintain student fee report through your panel. Just like that, if you have any feedback or update about your panel, please share them with us. Your feedback helps Emax India get better. Thank you.